Welcome to Kashmir, a paradise on earth, where nature's beauty knows no bounds. We're about to embark on an adventure through this breathtaking region, from its lush valleys to its towering peaks. Get ready to experience the magic of Kashmir, a land that will captivate your senses and leave you yearning for more. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Kashmir, the lush green valleys of Pahalgam, Gulmarg, and Sonmarg. Imagine yourself trekking through meadows carpeted in wildflowers, the air thick with the scent of pine and fresh earth. In Pahalgam, crystal-clear rivers rush through the valley, their melodies echoing the peace you'll find here. Gulmarg, a meadow ablaze with color, welcomes you to lose yourself in its beauty. And then there's Sonmarg, where you'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale, surrounded by glaciers and forests. Next, we venture into the realm of giants, the majestic Himalayas. Picture this: you're standing at the foot of Nanga Parbat, its snow-capped peak piercing the sky. The air is thin, but the view takes your breath away. Hamukh, another titan of the range, stands as a testament to nature's raw power. And then there's Kolahoy, a glacier-clad behemoth that seems to touch the heavens. These mountains are more than just rock and ice. They're guardians of a land steeped in legend and beauty. Prepare to be mesmerized as we explore the dazzling lakes of Kashmir. Dal Lake, a jewel in Srinagar's crown, beckons with its serene waters reflecting the surrounding mountains. Imagine gliding through its tranquil surface on a traditional shikara boat, the gentle sway lulling you into pure relaxation. Then there's Wular Lake, a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts, its vast expanse teeming with life. And let's not forget Pangong Lake, its turquoise waters shifting colors with the changing light, creating a scene straight out of a dream. Our journey takes us now to the Mughal Gardens, where history and nature intertwine. Picture meticulously manicured gardens, bursting with vibrant blooms and the sweet scent of roses filling the air. Fountains dance in the sunlight, their gentle spray a symphony of tranquility. Walk through these gardens and feel the echoes of emperors past, their love for beauty forever etched in this landscape. It's a feast for the senses, a reminder that paradise can be found in the heart of a garden. But Kashmir's beauty runs deeper than its landscapes. It's woven into the fabric of its culture, a rich tapestry of art, music, and tradition. Imagine yourself wandering through bustling markets, the air alive with the clanging of copperware and the vibrant colors of Kashmiri carpets. Listen closely, and you'll hear the soulful melodies of traditional music, each note telling a story passed down through generations. And then there's the food, a symphony of flavors that tantalizes your taste buds and leaves you craving more. This is the soul of Kashmir, warm, inviting, and unforgettable. Kashmir isn't just one destination, it's a kaleidoscope of experiences, each season painting a different masterpiece. Spring arrives in a riot of colors, blanketing the valleys in a carpet of wildflowers. Summer brings a gentle warmth, perfect for exploring the high meadows and soaking in the views. Autumn transforms the landscape into a canvas of fiery hues as leaves turn shades of gold and crimson. And then winter arrives, draping the mountains in a pristine white blanket, transforming the region into a winter wonderland. For the thrill seekers and adventurers, Kashmir offers a playground like no other. Picture yourself trekking through rugged mountain passes, the air thin and the views breathtaking. Feel the adrenaline surge as you navigate the rapids on a whitewater rafting expedition, the roar of the river echoing in your ears. Or, if winter is your element, carve your own path through pristine powder on the slopes of Gulmarg, the wind whipping past you as you fly down the mountain. Kashmir is a challenge and a reward, pushing you to your limits and rewarding you with unforgettable experiences. But amidst all the adventure, Kashmir also offers moments of pure tranquility. Imagine yourself escaping the bustle of city life, venturing into the secluded corners of this paradise. Find a quiet spot by a pristine lake. The only sounds the gentle lapping of water and the chirping of birds. Close your eyes, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and feel your worries melt away. Kashmir is a sanctuary for the soul, a place where you can reconnect with yourself and find inner peace. As our journey comes to an end, one thing is clear. Kashmir is more than just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. Kashmir is not just a place to visit, it's an experience to cherish forever. Come, be enchanted by its timeless beauty.